Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best baby detergent is probably one of the most important choices for parents, because it directly impacts your baby's delicate skin, so choosing a gentle and effective detergent is crucial for their health and comfort. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of 7th generation baby laundry detergent, exploring its features, effectiveness, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your little one. Number 5. 7th generation baby detergent. This detergent is specially formulated for your baby's delicate clothes. It's tough on stains but gentle on sensitive skin. It's made with 97% plant-based ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're using. It provides a powerful clean you can trust. This product is USDA certified bio-based, meaning it's made from renewable resources. It's a sustainable choice for your family. It's free of synthetic fragrances, dyes, and artificial brighteners, making it perfect for sensitive skin. It's tough on stains, but gentle on your baby. It works great on all your baby's clothes, including those cloth diapers. It's versatile and effective for all your baby's laundry needs. This concentrated formula is economical and effective. A little goes a long way, saving you money and reducing waste. What we like? This detergent tackles even the toughest baby stains. It's powerful yet gentle, thanks to its plant-based formula. If you need a detergent that can handle messy situations and still smells great, this is the one for you. What people say. It effectively removes stains and odors without causing irritation or triggering allergies, making it suitable for the whole family. Does not irritate sensitive skin, does not irritate asthma, does not leave any residue on clothes, does an okay job at removing stains, does a good job at removing sweat stains, does an excellent job at removing sweat odors. Works equally well in front-loading and side-loading machines, works equally well in both standard and e-machines. Number 4. 7th generation baby laundry detergent. This detergent is tough on stains but gentle on baby's delicate skin. It's perfect for tackling those messy milk spills and diaper blowouts. It's made with 97% plant-based ingredients and is USDA certified bio-based product at 95%. You can trust it to get your baby's clothes sparkling clean. It's free of harsh chemicals like synthetic fragrances, dyes, and artificial brighteners, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Your baby will love how soft their clothes feel. It tackles tough baby stains like milk, fruit purees, and diaper disasters with ease. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to clean clothes. It's concentrated, so you get more washes in a smaller package, saving you space and money. Less water means more cleaning power. It's great for all your baby's clothes, including delicate items and cloth diapers. It's versatile and effective for all your baby's laundry needs. What we like? Get twice the amount for your money with this convenient 2-pack. It's still tough on stains while being gentle on baby's skin. If you're looking for a great value and effective stain-fighting power, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It effectively removes stains and odors without causing irritation or triggering allergies, making it suitable for the whole family. Does not irritate sensitive skin. Does not irritate asthma, despite it having some scent to it. Number 3. 7th generation laundry detergent. It's the smart way to do laundry. This detergent packs a powerful clean into a small, easy-to-store bottle. It measures the perfect amount every time. Just squeeze, and you're ready to go. It's incredibly efficient. You get amazing cleaning power with less plastic and water. It tackles even the toughest stains. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime. It's gentle on sensitive skin. Made without dyes, fragrances, or artificial brighteners. It's ultra-concentrated, giving you 66 loads in a compact bottle. That's a lot of clean for your money. What we like? This ultra-concentrated formula is incredibly convenient and efficient. It's also free and clear, making it ideal for sensitive skin. If you value convenience and a hypoallergenic option, this is the one for you. What people say. The bottles are intelligently designed for organization and use. I love the ergonomic design and the dispensing cap all in one. 1. Small enough bottle to put in cabinet or on a countertop. 2. Flip cap squirts out the right amount so you can choose smaller amounts of detergent. 3. No more measuring scoops or caps, which means no extra clutter and no sticky detergent drips on counters or washing machines. Cleans extremely well, easy to use, less plates waste. Since it's concentrated, the container is small. The best thing is that it just requires 1 squeeze or 2 squeezes to dispense the detergent. It cleans well and has a great scent. Number 2. 7th generation laundry packs. It's a quadruple enzyme formula, tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. This detergent will leave your clothes sparkling clean and fresh. Made for sensitive skin, it's free and clear of fragrances, dyes, and artificial brighteners. You can trust it to be kind to your family's skin. It's an EPA Safer Choice certified product, meaning it's designed with safety in mind. You can feel good about using it. These fast-dissolving packs work in both high-efficiency and standard washing machines. No more worrying about residue. It's a USDA-certified bio-based product, with 94% plant-based ingredients. You're making a sustainable choice. We care about the future. Try our full line of laundry products, from liquids and powders to dryer sheets and stain removers. What we like? These powerful packs tackle tough stains while being gentle on sensitive skin. They're also an eco-friendly choice. If you're looking for a convenient, effective, and environmentally conscious option, this is it. What people say. If you follow the instructions, you won't have clumps and lumps of undissolved detergent on your clothes. I have been using these pods for about 4 to 5 years now and have never once had a problem with them not dissolving in any temp. No measuring. Just toss this sucker into an empty washing machine at the bottom and they too seem to clean better than liquid detergents, pods and non-pod liquids. These laundry packs are gentle on our skin and leave our clothes with a fresh, clean finish without an overpowering chemical scent. We also love that the 7th generation company uses recycled materials and natural ingredients. Number 1. 7th generation EasyDose. Say hello to effortless laundry. It's the smart way to get your baby's clothes sparkling clean, every time. It measures the perfect amount of detergent with every use. Just flip, squeeze, and you're all set. This little bottle packs a powerful punch. You get 66 loads in a compact size, saving you space and money. It's made with 60% less plastic, 50% less water, and is 75% lighter than our larger bottles. Gentle on the planet, tough on stains. Its advanced enzyme formula tackles even the toughest baby stains, while being free of dyes, synthetic fragrances, and artificial brighteners. Safe and effective for sensitive skin. 1 squeeze is all you need for a sparkling clean. It's the convenient and eco-conscious choice for busy parents. What we like? This detergent offers the ultimate convenience with its EasyDose technology. It's tough on stains yet gentle on baby's delicate skin. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and hypoallergenic solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Have been using it for the past 4 months, works well with stain removal. Little product goes a long way. The cap allows a measured amount to be squeezed out. Usually 1 or 2 squeezes turns my laundry smelling and feeling great. Concentrated and easy to store and use. Less plastic is fantastic for the environment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.